Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change your profile photo on Meta Business Suite. Let's get started. First, go to business.facebook.com, then log into your account. On the left sidebar, select the page or business account you want to update. Once selected, you'll be taken to the page's dashboard. Look at the left-hand menu and click on Settings. Then under Business Settings, click on Business Account Info, usually at the top left. Then on the right side, click the Edit button next to your business details. You'll see your current profile photo. Click on it. Upload a new image from your device. You can drag and drop the image or browse for it manually. Click Submit or Save. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.